Okay, finally, good. Okay. 15 minutes, no, 20 minutes late. Sorry again. Okay. Um, just good news for you guys. From this month, we will regularly run sharing section over YouTube, so you can expect the latest industry news, guideline for preparing CCIE exam, network knowledge, etc., etc., from our sharing sections. So if you haven't subscribed our YouTube account, you can please do not hesitate and subscribe our account, and you will get notification when we're running the sections. Okay. Just introduce myself. I'm not Dennis. I'm Ryan. I'm the lecturer of Spotto. Tonight our topic is how to prepare and pass CCIE DC Lab exam. Okay. It's version 2.1. Currently, the version for DC Lab exam is released on September of 2018, and so far no one passed CCIE DC Lab exam around the world. In the early of this month, we work out the solutions and release the DC Lab materials, and at the same time we tailor a study plan for our students. And the preparation period for DC Lab exam is around 8 to 9 weeks. Maybe some said, how can you help me to pass CCIE DC Lab? So, is the material that you provide is accurate? The answer is yes. We do have confidence to say that as long as you follow our study plan and practice our materials well, and pass CCIE DC Lab exam is a piece of cake, because we offer you valid workbook, solutions, and the physical recs. Okay. Till now we have more than 1,200 members to obtain their CCIE certifications. So how many of you guys are planning to prepare DC Lab, or are you preparing CCIE DC Lab at the moment? So if you are planning to prepare, just key in 1. If you are preparing now, just key in 2. Let me have a look. Okay, Samer, you are planning to prepare. How about other guys? Are you if you planning to prepare, just key in 1. Okay, I see a lot of people are planning to prepare. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 guys are planning to prepare. Okay, good news. Okay, we keep going. Okay. Firstly, just quickly introduce our company's background. Our company's name is Spotto. SPOTO is abbreviation for 5 words: service, professional, outstanding, teamwork, obtain, which means our company will provide professional and outstanding service to all of our clients, and our clients can get their certification with the assistance of our passionate and professional lecturers. Our company was founded in February 2003. Okay, now we have more than 16 years Cisco certification training experience. For 16 years, we have serviced more than 73 million of candidates, and over 10,000 of them has achieved their goal and get the CCNA, CCNP, and the CCIE certifications. Many of them get the offer from Fortune 500 companies. Our company is founded in China, but currently our business with operation in 6 continents, 124 countries and regions over the internet, and the students come from all over the world. Tonight, we prepare a special gift and offer to all of you guys. We will randomly pick up 3 lucky guys to experience our DC Lab materials, and we will choose DC version 2.1 ACL new features, which is transit routing path for the 6 lucky guys to experience. So you can practice this part materials. So it's a good chance for you guys to who is preparing CCIE DC Lab and eager to find a reliable lab material to pass the exam. So how to be one of the 6 lucky guys? Okay, I will show you the links. Okay, where's the link? Okay, this one. Okay, link. Okay, here, okay. I will copy and paste the link. Okay, just simply, I just copy and paste again. Okay, okay, here is the links. 4 steps, easy steps. Your name, okay, your email address, your phone number or your WhatsApp account, and which track you are going to you are interested in, DC, RS, security, or CCNP, CCNA dumps, whatever. Okay, which one you interested in, and we will randomly choose 6 lucky guys to experience the latest materials. Okay, we just released this month. Okay, till today, no one passed CCIE DC Lab version 2.1 around the world. Okay, 4 steps, easy steps. Your name, your email address, your phone number, your WhatsApp account, and which tracks you are interested in. Okay. Back to our PowerPoint. Some big data of our company. Till February 15th, 2019, we run 450 times CCNA course and service 19,160 members, and over the total length over 11,300 hours. And the CCNP course we run 516 times, and the total length over 14,862 hours, and service 9,036 members. CCIE course we run 233 times, and total length over 8,602 hours, and we have more than 1,200 members to acquire their CCIE number. Okay, not only CCNA and the CCNP course, but also CCIE course, we always keep running at least 1 class every month. So which means you can start learning in a very short time after you enroll our course. Other training organization cannot run the new course so frequently. Okay. Next page. We service more than 150,000 tenants who spread around the world, covering 6 continents, 105 countries. Our business, we deliver the knowledge to every place that can access to internet, and no matter you locate in USA or Europe or Asian Pacific or New Zealand or Australia, whatever. Okay. Here is the map. Shows the Cisco global exam centers, and the place with a yellow star is Cisco fixed exam centers. In 2019, Cisco changed the global exam centers. There's totally 8 fixed centers around the world, 5 in Asian area, which is Beijing, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Bangalore, Dubai, and just 1 in America. It used to be 2. Used to be RTP and St. Joe's. Now RTP and St. Joe's is a mobile exam center. Now only 1 fixed center in North America is Richardson. Okay, and 1 fixed center in Europe, which is Belgium, Brussels, and a senior area. 1 fixed exam center is in Australia, Sydney. Okay, the red parts in the mobile exam is the mobile exam centers. Okay, now the mobile center can offer lab testing in all technology checks, and the detailed information regarding the location and the test time of the mobile lab center you can check Cisco's website. But sometimes the scheduled mobile exam will be cancelled. It depends on how many candidates sign up for the exam. Okay, you can see many of Spotto's flag were pinned on the map. It is the exam center where our student pass the CCIE test, and most of them pass on the 8 fixed centers, and some pass on the mobile centers. So our goal is we can pin our flag on every Cisco's lab test centers. So we're still working hard on it. If you are going to start your network career, okay, or acquire your CCIE certification, Spotto is your smart choice. Until now, we have helped more than 1,200 members to acquire their CCIE numbers, and the passing rate is over 96%. All the clients who pass CCIE tests will join our CCIE club. Here's some statistics. Shows the our CCIE club. The oldest member is 47 years old, and the youngest one is 16 years old. And the shortest preparation period is 21 days. Okay, 21 days. Every company has its company cultures. So it's Spotto's company cultures. So you can try to understand it from your perspective. So first one, when you decide to be CCIE, you are already CCIE. And the second one, choose actions, persevere, go beyond. Okay, it's easier to persevere with a group than to persevere by yourself. The third one, every CCIE members has its own stories. So being a CCIE is the beginning of your career. Okay, let's take a rest. Let's start our first round lucky draws. So do you guys still remember the links? Okay, I just copy and paste the links again. So if you haven't submit your information, just do it now. Just do it quickly. Okay, if you just join our live, so please be quick. Okay, please be quick. Okay, join our lucky draw. Today we will randomly pick up 6 guys. Okay, 6 guys to experience the latest DC Lab materials. Okay. Okay. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your name, your email address, your phone number, or your WhatsApp account or WhatsApp numbers, and the tracks you are interested in, whatever DC Lab, IS Lab, security, or even collaborations or CCNA, CCNP. Okay, which one you are interested in? Just simply 4 steps and press go buttons, and you will submit your information, and we will choose 6 lucky guys. Okay, the first round we will choose 2 lucky guys. So are you guys ready? Can you do it 10? Okay, sorry, only 6 lucky guy tonight, but we will still offer you a special discount. Okay, if you are ready, just press 1. Let me have a look. Are you ready? Make it 50. Okay, I will try to make it 50. Are you guys ready? Okay, I just picked up the first one, the first lucky guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, technical issue again. And a sec. Give me a sec. Okay, technical issue again. Something wrong with our database. It seems I have to contact our. Okay. Maybe we can leave it at the end of the section. I will ask our technician to fix the problems. It seems there's something wrong with our the database. There's no data here. So okay, I just leave the leave the lucky draw at the end of the sections, and we will pick up maybe 8 extra two members to experience. Is that right? Sorry for a technical issue again. Okay, back to our PowerPoint. Okay, back to our PowerPoint. I will do it later. Okay, do it later. Okay, firstly, let's have a look some key data for CCIE engineer. Okay, the first part, the gender. We can have a look at the gender. 90% of CCIE is males, and only 3% is females. Okay, this also reflects that the network engineer are mostly males, and the average salary. Okay, it's easy to find the male earn more than female. Okay, the salary, the male engineer is around 80k to 143k per year. Okay, the female is around 63k to 129k per year. So it's around 15. It's not 15. It's 17k difference per year. Okay, and regarding the year of experience, most of the CCIE has more than 5 years working experience. So among them who has 10 to 19 years working experience, take the largest proportion. The figure is 48%. Okay, the job satisfaction. Okay, 175 people. 175 people vote 5 out of 5. So it seems our technician extremely satisfied with their current status. Okay. Next one is the I think the network industry has been a well-paid industry. According to the survey, the CCIE average salary is around 122k per year, and in the USA, the top employer is Cisco, Juniper, and the Presto, and the ATA. Okay, ATA, 4 companies. In China is Huawei and Huashan, and HSangC. Okay, according to these tables, we can find the senior network engineer. Okay, has strongest demand, even more than basic level network engineer. So this reflects the market demand skillful and experienced network engineers. And the architect has the highest average the wages. So if you want more money or looking for better employer, so join us and become a leader with Cisco certification now. So, okay, here is some surveys. Okay, let's back to how to prepare and pass our CCIE DC Lab. As we all know, there's 2 steps to achieve your CCIE numbers. The first step is return test. You can choose a Pearson VUE center which close to you. Okay, Pearson VUE is a global leader in computer-based testing. The return exam duration is 2 hours, and it is a closed book test, so you cannot bring any documentations. And when you're doing the return exam, so please beware, the question cannot be rolled back. So you have to choose the answer very carefully before you click the next buttons. Okay, after you submit all of the answers, the score will show on the screen directly and let you know whether you pass or fail the exam. If you are worried about how to prepare the CCIE return exam, so we will provide you the return dumps when you finish your theory learnings, so you can easily pass CCIE return test even you are fresh to CCIE. As long as you practice Spotto's return dumps, maybe you take 3 to 5 days. It's easy to pass the return test. Okay, after you pass the return test, you can book a place for the lab exam. So as I mentioned before, there are 8 fixed centers around the world and a few mobile centers. Just choose one which suits for you, and the total the total length for the lab exam is 8 hours, and it consists of 2 modules, which is diagnostic modules and the configuration modules. There is no separate troubleshooting modules because the troubleshooting modules has merged with the configuration modules. Okay, the Cisco will provide product menus that you can check it via the web browsers, but normally we won't use it because of the commands and the topologies you have to keep in your mind before you attempt the test. So the exam result will announce within 48 business hours. Okay, let's have a look. The duration for the different modules. The diagnostic modules is 1 hour fixed time, and the configuration and the troubleshooting modules is 7 hours. There's no device needed in the diagnostic modules, and the in the configuration module you have to use the physical device. Okay. Regarding our return time service procedures, okay, I just do a quick introduce. Okay, our service staff will contact you via the Skype, WhatsApp, or email. Sorry about that. Personally, I recommend using Skype or WhatsApp. It's more efficient to communicate with each others. Okay, we have tutors who take turns on duty, so don't worry about the time difference. So you will receive email from us. The email including your personal RDP, okay, remote desk protocol account, your name, your password. So if you don't know how to use the RDP, okay, we do have a guideline. Okay, we do have a guideline to teach you how to use the RDP, and the remote desk support of the operation systems, no matter you use Windows, Mac, or Linux. Okay. Once you get your account information, you have to start to practice. Before you start to practice, you have to read the guideline first. Okay, it will teach you how to use the practice software. Our remote server runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can access to the server wherever or whenever you like. We promise our dump is the latest one, and we will update it once the new question occurs. And our system will send a notification to you and let you know how many questions we have updated. And the software will count your correct accuracy after you finish your simulation test. For example, this one, the total score is 1000, and your this time your score is 1000, and the passing score is 825, so which means you pass the exam. Okay, great, pass. Okay, so please practice more for your wallet, so you can take the real exam if you can pass the simulation test for 5 consecutive times. The CCIE DC version 2.1 exam outline can be divided into 6 sections. First one, layer 2 and layer 3 connectivities. Second one, network service. The third one, networking and compute. The fourth one is the automation and orchestration. The fifth one is fabric infrastructures. Last one is involving technology. The the weight is okay in the written exam. The weight is 25% for layer 2 and layer 3 connectivities, and 15% for network service, 18% for network and compute, 10% for automation and orchestration, 22% for the fabric infrastructure, and 10% for involving technology. The lab exam won't involve the knowledge of involving technologies, and the weight has slightly changed. The weight in the lab exam is 28% for layer 2, layer 3 connectivities, 70% for network service, 20% for storage, networking, and compute, 10% still the same for automation and orchestration, 25% for fabric structures. And layer 2 and layer 3 connectivities, including link aggregation, tagging, trunking, spanning tree, VXLAN, EVPN, OTV, OSPF, is BGP, something else, BFD, yeah, FHRP, multicast, multiport, multi-site, VRF, okay, classification and marketing, policy and queuing. Network compute include the fiber channels, FCOE, iSCSI, zoning, MPV, MPIV, UCS managers, intersite, SAM, then uplinks, rack server integration, fabric ports, application ports. The fabric infrastructure includes the switch, fabric discovery, controller, networking manager, access policy, layer 2 and layer 3 multi-tenancy, troubleshooting policy, monitoring policy, application profile, networking security, force, health indicator, Cisco ADV, vSphere distribute switch, Hyper-V switch, a lot of things. Okay, so the most important part for this for the lab is the first one, layer 2 and layer 3 connectivities, and the fabric infrastructure, and the network and compute. Okay, it's the weight is 65% for the written exam and 75% for the lab exam. So as I mentioned before, there are 5 sections in the lab exam, so you cannot get 0% in any of the sections, otherwise you will fail the exam. Okay. Regarding the new diagnostics modules, it focuses on assessing your personal skills, including but not limited to analyzing, correlating, and discerning multiple sources of documents. Okay, and it's 1 hour times and 100% web based, as no physical device needed. The deterministic gradings, which is no partial gradings. The format is similar to the multiple choice, so it's easy to do it. And the new scoring systems. Okay, you see there's a minimum score for each module, and there's a cut score on the bottom, but Cisco doesn't specify the score according to our experience. So for each module, you have to achieve at least 60% of scores, and the total scores you need to more than 78%. So then you will pass the exam. So if any module your score is less than 60%, the total score less than 78%. So you failed the exam. Okay. Here is some example. We can have a look. The total score for the diagnostics module is 10, and the minimum score is 4, and the cut score is 7. Okay. The configuration and the troubleshooting module, total score is 90, and the minimum score is 40, and the cut score is 68, and the cut score for the whole lab exam is 75. Okay. For candidate 1, okay, if the diagnostics module he got the 2, okay, only got 2 scores, and the configuration module got 78 scores, the total score will be 80. Okay, over the 75, the total cut scores, but it didn't meet or exceed the diagnostics module's minimum scores, so still fail. Okay, the second example, this candidate, the score, okay, for diagnostics module, it got the 5 scores, okay, more than the 4 scores minimum score, and the configuration part, it got a 45 scores, more than 40 minimum scores, and the total score is 50, but the total score is less than 75, less than the total cut score, so still fail. Okay, still fail. Okay, and the example 3. Okay, let's have a look. The candidate 1 got the score 6. Okay, more than minimum score 4. Okay, the configuration module 72, more than 40. Okay, the total score is 78, more than the cut score 75. So it passed the exam. Okay, so that's quite important. You have to so each module you have to meet or exceed the minimum scores, and the total scores you have to meet and exceed the total cut score. Okay. Okay. Let's back to our lucky draw. It seems. Let's have a look. It seems working now. So we have delete our database. So please fill your personal information again. 4 easy steps: your name, your email address, your phone number or WhatsApp number, the tracks you interested in. We just delete our database. So we delete all of the data. So please, sorry about that. So please refill your name, your email address, your phone number or WhatsApp number, and the tracks you are interested in, and press go button. Press go button to submit your information. And now I will choose 3 lucky guy first. Okay, is that right? 3 lucky guy first to experience our DC lab materials. Okay, are you guys ready? If you need more time, just press 2. If you are ready, just press 1. Let me have a look. If you need more time to submit your information, just press 2. If you are ready, just press 1. Let me know, please. This round I will choose 3 lucky guys. 3 lucky guys. Are you guys ready? Except the DC, we do have other tracks. For example, RS, security, wireless, collaboration, and ISP. So if you are interested in other tracks, you still can contact us. We do have the dumps and the lab materials. Today we introduce the DC, the latest DC lab materials, because we just work it out and release the beginning of this month. Okay, I think all of you guys ready. So 3 lucky guys. Who is the first lucky guys? Let's have a look. 1, 2. Another second. Okay, let's start it. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay, let me have a look. Lucky Spotto. Lucky. Give me a sec. Oh, okay. The first lucky guys. Okay, the first lucky guys here. ALEJANDROARGUELL. Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name. Sorry again. Okay, this is the first lucky guy. Congratulations. Okay, let's start to who is the second one. Second lucky guys. 1, 2, 3. Start it. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay. MUSTANSARHAFEEZ. Okay, you are the number 2 lucky guys. Okay, the third one. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3. Start it. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay, AKIRAB. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, our boss just tell us tonight we will provide 10, okay, 10 lucky guys to experience our new materials. So tonight we will pick up 10 lucky guys. Okay, if you are not one of the lucky guys in the first round, so don't be hesitant. So just simply quickly, okay, don't frustrate. Just simply 4 steps. Your name, your email address, and your phone number, your WhatsApp number, the tracks you are interested in. Okay, just fill your information and submit. Maybe you are the next lucky guys. Okay, let's back to our PowerPoint. Just let you know the score, the minimum score, and the score. Okay, here. Okay. Here is the topology. Okay, here is the topology for CCIE DC Lab. Okay, it's 100% same with the exam. So most of the students fail in this area, data center 1. Okay, most of them fail in this area. And here is the requirement and the solutions. Okay, we do have full requirement. Here, let's have a look. Section 1 is layer 2 and layer 3 connectivities. Section 2 is the data center network service. Section 3, data center storage, networking, and compute. Section 4 is the automation and orchestration. And Section 5 is the fabric infrastructures. So we do have full requirements and we work out the solutions. We do have full solutions. It's 100% same with the real exam. Okay. I have this one. Okay, next one. Okay, it's the it's the requirement. Another requirement. Okay, EVPN loopback 0 should be used as a source, and EVPN should be the control plane. Okay, ensure that all EVPN virtual instance use root distinguishers. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, it's the real. It's 100% same with the real exam. Okay, after you pass the written exam, so we will. Okay, after you pass the written exam, we will move you to the we will service you the lab. Okay, how do we do the lab service procedures? Okay, Firstly, Sam, our service staff will send you will contact you and they send you the materials. Okay, within 1 hour the working time, and the non-working days and the non-working time we promise send you the material within 8 hours. Okay, the material will including the workbook, solution with all version of topologies, and explaining videos and the guide files. So after you got all the documents, please read the guide first. Okay, read the guide first, and it will teach you how to use the material and which software you need to download or which software you need to install in order to open the related files. Okay, the lab video explain the technical issue regarding the lab exam. Okay, the rest of the job, tutor will responsible for it. Firstly, our tutor will tailor a personal study plan for you. Okay, follow the study plan. You can start to practice. Okay, during the preparation period, we will add you into a study group. Okay, the students can ask the questions and share your solutions in the group. Also, you can ask our tutor for help. Okay, the service and the tutor will follow your preparation process. When you believe you are familiar with all the scenarios, and the tutor will move you to a sprint group. We will arrange a mock exam for you. So you have to done it without the workbook or any other help. The mock book is very important because the mock test is 95% restore the real exam. During the mock exam, we will manually add some errors into the configurations. So it will let you know how protector make the issues during your exam. So you have to find out the issues and make the correction. And the mock exam result will show you which section you didn't prepare well. You have to focus on that section and practice more. Okay, depend on your proficiency. Our tutor will give you the suggestion that whether you can book the exam or when you can book the exam. So it will help you to increase the passing rate. After you book the lab exam, the tutor will analyze the students' feedback from different test centers every week. So we will let you know what you should pay attention to, what you have to pay attention to in the exam before you take the exam. Currently, okay, here is the materials you expect to receive. Okay, the videos, the materials, the requirement of topologies. Okay, currently there's only one set of diagnostics modules and one set of configuration modules, and here is the general study plan. Okay, we will tailor a personal one for each student. So the general one is around 6 to 7 preparing period. So around 3 to 4 hours per day to practice. After 1.5 months, you are able to take the lab exam. So trust me, it's a good timing to practice the DC Lab now. So you start to practice now, so you can pass the lab exam at the beginning of maybe May. Now, if you got plenty of time, the preparation period can be shorter. Even the end of the April, you can expect to pass the lab exam. So only one set of topologies for diagnostics modules, one set topology for configuration and troubleshooting modules. So it's really a good timing. Okay. And the next part is the experience sharing. So even you practice a lot, you might fail exam due to some unexpected problems. For example, you're nervous in exam environments or something else. So here is some valuable experience which is important for you to pass the exam. The first one I will let you know the topology we give you is 100% accurate. So send topology with the exam. Okay. The second one, less 10 tickets in configuration modules. So control your time, 5 minutes for each ticket. If you cannot work it out within 5 minutes, just skip it and do the next one. Okay. Second one, control time. The third one, you can type the configuration command in the notepad. So actually there's really command in the DC configuration parts, so it will save your time. Okay, this is the third one. The fourth one, read the answer first, select the correct one straight away. Because you practice a lot, you know the answers, so you can select the correct one straight away. The last one, use Control plus F, okay, to find out the keywords. It will save you a lot of time. This is for the diagnostics module experience sharing. Regarding the configuration, the first one, confirm other students' feedback, especially a few days before the exam. Okay. The second one, check all the device pre-configuration, because the pre-configuration might have a slightly different than the usual practice. So just check it again. Okay. The third one, practice every day. Okay, practice every day. Keep all topologies and commands in your mind. The fourth one, the ACI and the UCS is the key. It's the key factor to pass the lab exam. So please practice more and focus on ACI and the UCS. And the last one is Nexus OS is easy to get 100% score. So you don't need to spend a lot of time. Okay, this is the experience sharing. Okay, the last one. Okay, why choose Spotto? Why choose Spotto? Okay. Let's start the second round lucky draw. Let's move to our second round lucky draw. So here is the links. I just paste again. So if you just join us, you can simply open this website, and 4 steps: your name, your email address, your phone number, your WhatsApp account, and the tracks you are interested in. Okay, 4 easy steps, and press the go button. Press the go button. It will submit your information, and we will randomly choose the 10 lucky guys tonight. Okay, so this round I still choose 3 lucky guys. Okay, to experience our latest DC lab material. Okay, 4 easy steps: your name, your email address, your phone number, your WhatsApp number, or the tracks you are interested in. Okay, let's start to our number 4. Okay, number 4 lucky guy. Number 4 lucky guy. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, TIENVINH. I think you come from Vietnam. Okay, congratulations, TIENVINH. Okay, you are the number 4 lucky guys. We keep going. Number 5 lucky guys. 1, 2, 3, start it. Stop. Okay, MIROSLANM. Okay, you are the number 5 lucky guy. You are the number 5 lucky guy. Okay, the number 6. 1, 2, 3, let's start it. Stop. DANH. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. This one we pick up 3 lucky guys. Okay, the last round we will pick up the 4 lucky guys to experience the DC lab materials. Okay, last round there's 4 lucky guys. If you haven't if you haven't provided your name, your personal information, just do it now. Okay, maybe you are the next lucky guys. We back to our the PowerPoint. Why choose us? We were founded in 2003. 16 years, our company is still alive and getting better and better. So we receive numerous positive feedback from the students who spread over the world. So in a word, we are professional. Okay, the second one, we have standard service progress, and professional support team. We promise our dumps that we provide is accurate. We will update the dumps quickly once it changes. So you can pass the exam quickly with the help of our dumps. Okay. We do have we do have the mock exam environment, so it will help you to familiar with the real exam, so it's easy to pass. Okay. The last one, we keep the high passing rate for our clients. So till today, we have more than 1,200 people to acquire the CCIE numbers. So we can help you save more money and achieve achieve your goal quickly. And except the DC tracks, we do have other tracks. We provide the routing and switch, security, service provider, wireless, and collaboration. We do have the return dumps, and the for the routing switch, security, SP, and wireless. It has been approved by our students, and the DC and the collaboration, the solution is still waiting for test. Because it just released. Okay. The rest of the except the DC and the collaboration, the rest of the tracks is very stable. Maybe routing and switch, you need take more time to prepare, because it got lots of topologies. For example, troubleshooting TS1. Okay, it got 8 sets of topologies. TS2 got 3 sets. The diagnostics module, 8 sets. Configuration module, 3 topologies. So you need practice a lot of time. The rest of the tracks, security, service provider, and wireless, maybe it's around 2 months to 3 months. I think it's ready. You can ready I think you will be ready. So if you are interested in any other tracks, you can key in the keywords. For example, RS, security, SE, okay, service provider, SP, wireless, WIRE, okay, DC, or collaborations. Okay, our staff will contact you quickly. So is anyone interested in other tracks, especially routing and switch? Because most of the students choose routing and switch as their first tracks. Okay, so do you have any other questions? Maybe I can run the third round of the lucky draw, and you can ask your questions now. So if you want a special offer, you can contact to our staff, okay, or join our WhatsApp account, at our WhatsApp account. And please do not forget, okay, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube account. Okay, let's start our last round of the lucky draw. 4 guys. Okay, 4 lucky guys. I will choose 4 lucky guys in the last round. Okay, number 6. Okay, 6, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. Number 7 lucky guys. Let's start it. Okay, stop. Okay, RAHEELEJAJ. Congratulations, you are the number 7 lucky guys. Okay, you are the number 7 lucky guys. Okay, the number 8. Start it. Okay, DEAHMET. DEAHMET. Okay, congratulations, you are the number 8 lucky guys. Okay. Okay, the last one, not the last one, number 9, number 9 lucky guys. Okay, stop it. Hurry. Okay, hurry, you are the number 9 lucky guys. Okay, let's move to the last lucky guys. Who is the last lucky guys? Let's have a look. Start it. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, QUYE. Congratulations, you are Kim QUYE. You are the last lucky guys. So we do have 10 lucky guys tonight. So our staff will contact you shortly and let you know how to experience the new materials. Okay. Just wondering, is any other interested in experience our routing and switch materials? Is anyone interested in experience our routing and switch lab materials? We can provide 3 lucky guys tonight. 3 lucky guys tonight. Is anyone interested in routing and switch? What material? So if a lot of people want the routing and switch experience materials, so I can choose 3 lucky guys tonight. Yes? If you say yes, just press 1. Let me have a look. Okay, I'll just say so 1 guys, press 1. SAI. Any other guys interested in? No one? Okay, if Sam, okay. Yes. Okay, 3 lucky guys. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I will ask our PHP technician to clean the database and pick up another 3 lucky guys to experience the routing and switch lab material. Okay, give me 1 minute. And if you got any other questions, you can type it now. I think I saw Dennis is online. He will try. Alright, and the Toad is online as well. So if you got any questions regarding the routing and the switching or the DC, you can ask. You can ask them. So yes. I think a lot of people press yes. Okay, you got any other questions regarding the DC lab or the routing and switch? Let me have a look. Are you going to share the recording? Recording, yes, we will share over the YouTube. You can subscribe our YouTube account. Okay. Which DC lab be valid by June or July? Told, are you online? Okay. Okay, June. Give me a sec. Our PHP technician is working to Okay, after we delete the database, if you are interested in routing and switching lab materials, you have to submit your information again. If you are not interested in, so you just skip it. Okay, leave the chance to the guy who you really interested in the routing and switch. Okay, I will let you know when it's ready. So you have to submit your information again. So if you are interested in any other tracks, so you can contact our consultants. They will offer you a amazing discount. Okay. You need practical on CCNA. Yes, we do have CCNA return dumps. Yeah. And later we will running the CCNA theory course, so you can expect it. Okay, wait a minute. DC is very cool. Okay, the technician says, okay, let me have a look. Have a look. Okay, now it's ready. So if you are interested in routing and switch lab materials, we can give 3 lucky guys to experience to try our routing and switch lab materials. So you need to do is to review your information again. So you are not interested in, so just skip it. Okay, leave the chance to other people. You can do it now. I will pick up 3 lucky guys maybe 1 minute later. If you are really interested in routing and switching, okay. So if you are not interested in, just leave the chance to other people. Okay, you can subscribe our Facebook page, okay, and LinkedIn and Instagram, Twitter. Yes, we do have a lot of links. Here's the Facebook pages. Okay, here is our what did for the first 10 win? The first 10 is for the DC Lab material. It's for DC Lab materials. Try a count. Now I'm pick up 3 lucky guys for routing and switch. Okay. Here is the Instagram. You can subscribe us. LinkedIn. Now it's LinkedIn. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, now I'm going to start to pick up 3 lucky guys to try our routing and switch lab material. Okay, the first one, let's start it. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, Bob Wilson. Okay, congratulations, Bob, the first lucky guy. Yes. If you have to, because we delete the database, so you have to register again, please. Congratulations, Bob. So very easy, 4 steps. If you haven't registered, just 4 steps: your name, your email address, your phone number or WhatsApp number, and the tracks you are interested in. 4 steps. Give you guys another 10 seconds. It's alright. Okay, let's start to choose the number 2 lucky guys. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, PRADEEP SHUKLA. Say congratulations, you are the number 2 lucky guys. Okay, only one lucky guy left. Only the one lucky guy left. Okay, I will send you the links again. Okay, it says someone. Okay, I send you a link again. Okay, I wait. What will do the winners? Winners will got the trial account to experience our routing and switch lab materials. CCIE. Why only 3, not 6? Wow. Why only 6, not 8, not 10? It's a good question. The Dennis only give me three tell me three lucky guys. You can win this chance. I'm getting already submit. Okay, let's choose the last one, last lucky guy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start it. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, PAVELKUCERA. Okay, congratulations, you are the last lucky guy tonight. Okay, you are the last lucky guy tonight. Okay, so congratulations of the 13 lucky guy tonight. So our my college will contact you shortly. Okay. In the March, in this month, we will launch the YouTube online IT training course weekly. So this week is the topic is regarding the data center. Okay, the next week, 15th of March, is regarding the security, the CCIE Security Lab. Okay, so you can search Spotto, SPOTO. Okay. Okay. And you can subscribe our YouTube account. Are you done with CCIE DC? Yes, we do have. We just work out. We just got a full requirement and work out this month. Okay, is there any other questions? If no questions, we will finish. I know this is version 2 and more details. Okay. So, do you have any other questions regarding the DC? Give us more lucky draw, please. If you want the extra experience, try or you want to try account, you can contact our service staff. Here is the WhatsApp account, or you can email us. You can email us. Okay, if you don't have any other questions, I will finish it tonight. Our WhatsApp account is this one. Are you passing to CC the routing and switching now? How can I become a network engineering? Start learning from CCNA. Okay, CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE. Okay, okay, it's time to say bye bye. So you can, if you got more questions, you can join our WhatsApp group. Our staff will answer your questions. Okay. Do you have something to? Do you have something to include? What are we doing here? So if you need more detail regarding our course, our practical, you can join our WhatsApp group. Okay, the Dennis will answer your questions in WhatsApp. WhatsApp account is this one. This is our WhatsApp account.